Right now I'm going to hack the DX code of this Portra 400 to make it 200. Well, basically we need to change the top row. 400 is these two and this one. I'm going to make it 200, it's this one and third one from the right. Actually it's quite easy. I was thinking it will be harder. So we're just scratching out these black bars to make them not obstructive. Now I'm going to use my duct tape to make this one black. I need a small piece of this, glue it right now, then cut the excessive part of it with my knife. Look at that, looks perfect. And now I'm going to load this film with hack DX code. Doing it for the first time, I hope it will work. So actually, who doesn't know, cameras like this read the DX code by electrical impulse. So we are putting our roll of film like that and rolling it out, closing down. First frame, perfect. Let's go shoot. My model is getting ready. Camera ready, steady. First frame. I'm going to set it to night mode with flash. I never tried this mode, but very interesting to see what will come out of it. I'm going to turn on the spot metering mode. I have to press these two buttons together. Okay, it's not easy. It's not working with night mode. Thing for you to know. I'm going to communicate with my model in Russian, and you'll see the subtitles down below. Раз, два. First frame, got it! Какая у тебя сторона там? О, даже немножко в наклоне, вот как сейчас, прям офиг.
Ну, это не была моя вкусная.
Раз, два. I'm going to make this shot with flash. Раз, два. Идем дальше. I really enjoy this building, so right now I'm going to take my model, ask her to stand here and to get the shot with the top of this building and the sky. На счет три. Раз, два. So I'm just turning on the flash and let's do it vertical. Раз. Super. So I'm going to take the shot with flash, just like this, with those sculptures. Пойдем с сиськами сфоткаемся. Два. Раз, два. Немножко туда лицо. Раз, два. Oh, actually, spot metering is working with flash too. We found this beautiful bench. Perfect place to shoot her legs in stockings. Just this simple shot of legs. Alright. And now we'll take this photo without a flash. Actually, right now it's getting a bit dark. I don't know how this Portra will handle it. I'm very curious. Okay. Два. Вот чувствовалось, как она дольше фоткает. Мне кажется, я размазал немножко кадр. Flash and night mode. Okay, so now night mode with flash. Oh. Два, три. Давай. Три. Со вспышкой должен быть прикольный. Вот, возможно, все размыто будет. А, будет вспышка. Nice. Есть. 4 фоточки еще. Сейчас еще раз. Еще одна. Раз, два. И давай еще как ты идешь прямо на меня такая. Woohoo!
Красиво.
We're going to remove the roll of film. Open up the camera, take it out.